Hello everyone, welcome to another session about the pivot trader. In this session, we will talk about the time-based trades, and time-based trades is one of the important feature that enables the user to sell and buy equity, futures, and options at a particular time of the day. The main motivation is that there are times where traders would like to enter the positions in multiple scripts at the same time, but as an individual human being, it's very hard to punch the order and then keep the corresponding stop loss orders at the same time for all the entered positions. For example, if I would like to enter in multiple like five scripts at the beginning of the market, but it's very hard to do it at exactly at 9:15 because as even if you are very fast enough, as and then when the orders get orders get completed, it's very hard to place the stop loss orders because the system is the prices are moving or the prices are fluctuating very much in the beginning at the beginning of the market. Yeah. Okay. And to make this possible, we have introduced the concept of time-based trades, which fires the orders for all the instruments for the specified time. And if the stop losses are configured, then the pivot trader software will place the stop loss orders after the initial orders are completed only. Time-based orders can be used to create different kind of option strategies by placing orders at the same time for multiple legs. For example, you want to have a four-leg option strategy, then you can say that, okay, I would like to buy these two legs and sell these two legs at 9:30, and that you can this option strategy you can create by creating four trades for each individual leg. Let's take a look how to add time-based orders in the Pivot Trader software. But before that, I would like to mention here that for running the Pivot Trader software with your Zerodha account, you don't need to subscribe to the API Zerodha API, which costs 2000 per month. The only thing to be done here is to log into your Zerodha account using the Chrome browser and then start the Pivot Trader software. Let's go to the time-based orders. So as you can see, this is the dashboard, and to add any trades, um, click on the trade button, and then here you can see that the regular trade, time based trade, and strategy based trades, the three types of trades are defined. And I already discussed in the another video about the regular trade. So let's go to the time based trades. Here in the time based trades, as you can see that we have the field to select the time at which you want to fire the order. So this is like you can place the order at exactly at 9:15. So 9:15, and you can also say that, okay, I want to place it 9:15:00 or 01, whatever. So it means it's a seconds precision. So you can try to place the orders in seconds. And here the time-based order supports buy and sell, and then you can select the instrument. So for example, if I want to select SBIN, you can just say select type SBIN, State Bank of India, or if you want to select Bank Nifty 35,500, then you can say for this expiry 35,000 P or C, that you can do. And also you can also place orders in Nifty futures also, Nifty July or June futures, and then the quantity is selected as 50 because the July futures one lot size is 50 quantity. And here in the price section, you can before that, I would like to talk about the quantity. Here, in the quantity, you can put as much as you want. Like, for example, I'm not sure about the July contract, but in the June contract, the maximum tradable quantity for per order is 4,950. But this is on the exchange limitation from the exchange side. But if you would like to place around, like, you want to place 15,000 quantity, then what it will do is it will fire four orders or at least multiple orders until the quantity is equal to 15,000, and then fire them individually at the same time. And here, and coming to the next section, which is the price. Here in the price, if you don't put anything, like if you set it to 0, then it is placing the orders for them as a market order. That means it's immediately bought or sold on the market price. I would say if you are placing the order for the market entry, then please don't select the market orders, because that could be very dangerous, because for some reason there are not enough sellers. That means if you place a buy order at 9:15 and if the seller is placing the order at very high end of the option range, then you will end up buying at a very high price. So be careful with it. So, or if you say that, okay, I would like to sell Nifty June futures at 15,800, then you can say that here. And here in the product type, you can select CNC, normal, and also MIS orders, which are for intraday. And you can say specify the stop loss here. So for example, if you specify stop loss as 0.75%, then it will keep the stop loss as 158.75% of the 158 points. Okay. And target and all is all based on the percentages, similar to the regular order, nothing new, nothing special. So I would like to say Nifty 15,800 CE, June 15,800 CE, and I would like to buy it at 100 rupees. So once the order is completed, then you can place the stop loss order, stop loss at 20%. And if the stop loss is configured, then the stop loss order is immediately placed once the initial buy order is completed. And also if you specify the target, then it's if as soon as the price goes to 120 rupees, which is 20% higher than the buy price, then it will immediately cancel the stop loss order and then place the exit order as a market order. You can also play around with the trailing stop loss, which is similar to the regular order. So this is about the time-based orders. But what I would like to mention here is that if you want to create multiple legs, um, similar like you want to have Nifty straddle, excuse me. So if you want to place a Nifty ATM straddle at to be executed at 9:30 or 9:20, then you can do that here. Then it will immediately, based on the Nifty spot price, um, it will place the straddle positions. And for each individual leg, it will place the stop loss orders. And for each individual leg, you can also have a target. So this is not exactly similar to the straddle wicks RSI strategy which we have added. This is something for someone who wants to have two individual legs being at different stop losses and all. Our system also supports, let's see, straddle. As you can see that our system supports different kinds of straddles at different positions. So plus 50 is something like 50 points away, and because the Nifty strikes are 50 points uh, between one another is 50 points, and you can also say that okay, I would like to have a Nifty straddle 50 points on the downside. Those are all you can do, and at the money straddle and all these so you can select whichever you want to trade. That means you don't need to select the strikes manually and put it into the basket and then place the basket orders. Everything is done by the software here, provided you have enough margins. All the orders has to be placed. For example, if one leg is executed and another leg is not executed in this straddle trade, then immediately both the legs are cancelled or they exited at the market, because the system cannot monitor both the trades at the same time if they are not completed. I mean, for some reason the order got rejected, one of the legs orders is rejected, then system will completely come out of the trade. This is about time-based orders. Um, If you would like to, if you like our feature and would like to um, use our software, you can join our Telegram channel as mentioned in the below in the video description. Thank you.